Kahu's actually swimming out to Wendy. That's pretty cool. He loves the water.
All right.
How's the water?
Boy.
How's the water?
Great. It's so beautiful.
He loves it in there.
You like it? You like the water. Okay, we're gonna go in? Okay, let's go in. Let's go in. Come on. Little boat. Little jet boat.
Look at him go. Look at him paddling it with his legs, the front legs, doing the dog paddle.
There you go. Good boy.
That's great. Beauty.
That feels good.
Good. Isn't that refreshing?
So nice. Where's my...
And no, folks, this is not the lake. This is the Pacific Ocean. Beautiful, isn't it? He's following you.
I have some blubber to keep me warm.
You don't have any blubber.
It helps me to float.
You're not going to need any in Hawaii.
Yeah. I gotta get in shape.
It's funny how he follows you. Look at him. He's like right on your tail.
Trying to find land.
He's trying to find land.
Find some land. You getting tired? There you go.
He will. He'll be tired.
Yeah, good exercise.
Yeah.
Good for you.
It is good exercise.
Good for you.
Better bring him up to the rocks here.
Okay,
Come on up.
let's go up.
It's like a drowned rat. Look at him.
Oops. Okay.
Come on up, Ups. Come on. Good.
Good boy. Go up there.
Beautiful Salt Spring Island. Isn't that nice?
Ooh.
That's perfect. Yes, beautiful Salt Spring Island.
All right. All right.